What's up YouTube? I'm back with a second video about an act machine and I'm gonna try it. I saw that you could put money in it and then pull it out. I'll show you. First things first, this is not cheap. I mean very cheap. So apparently you could put cash in and pull it out. Yes, it's a $5. It's Canadian. But the video I saw it, I tried, you used it at $1, but it's far from being $1 here. So I'm gonna try it with this $5 and to put it back with some masking tape that you have to tape on it. So I'll see if it works. I think I'm on the wrong one, so I'll try to do the other way around. Well, it's not gonna work. It says cash only. So I'll go to the second machine here. It says the same thing too. This thing doesn't work. Well, I'm gonna have to do some walking to get to another machine that takes it. So that's about it right now. So apparently this machine ain't dumb. They actually put a thing in it. I don't know if you can see it. Right middle of it, this wheel, which is about here. Well, actually, it finds that I still have something attached to it, so I made a hole in it, and let's see if it works. Still doesn't work. I'll put it bigger this time. Fuck. So I went back and did a really longer hole to see now if it works. It says it's ready, so I hope it does now. Still doesn't work. What the fuck, man? I don't get it. Well, I'm gonna try the opposite side. No, it only takes it this side. Well, I'm gonna try another machine. Well, I'm on a brand new machine, different thing, and now I'm gonna see if it works. Wrong side. Oh, doesn't take it this side. Fuck. Doesn't work. It doesn't work. Let's try this one. This card machine thing. Wrong side. Okay, that sucks. Got the bill on the wrong side. So I switched the tape side and I'll see now if it works. Well, I'll go with this machine first. I hope it doesn't break off. It says please make a selection. Nope. Switch it around. guess it only works on one side. So I'm gonna try to do this pretty quick. Yeah. I need both hands for that. So grab this. Didn't work. Fuck. So apparently machines ain't dumb. It's not working. I try every machine and it's not working. It doesn't read it. It just gets it back. So that fucking sucks. But now I know it doesn't work. Goodbye.